Hey, good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, depending on where or when you're watching this. It's me, your friendly neighborhood Deacon, Deacon G. And we're back. Or should I say Bongiorno a tutti to all my paisanos and compadres out there. Because today is Wednesday, and you know what Wednesday is? Hump Day! Besides that, it is Italian Shave Day. Yeah, we're Italian Shave Day. And we're still going to continue with the blue theme, lighted up blue for Kim and her fight against that damn mesothelioma. Kim, praying for you. We're behind you 100%. So I got the blue shirt on. I got the blue microfiber towel. I don't have a blue razor. I'm sorry. I don't have a blue razor. My wife has a blue razor over here that she uses on her legs. It's one of those Venus razors, but hey, that's for another day. Anyway, hardware-wise, what we're going to use, we're staying Italian. This is the Lo Storto, the twisted one, by Fatip. And I've got a Fatip blade in there. Had a little trouble mounting the blade this morning, so I got a little kiss from the blade. That's okay. Little liquid skin on there, never hurt anybody. Software, what are we using? From Pinnacle Grooming over in the UK, we've got Sicilian, same area, a little South Italy. We got a lot of blues in that, so we're lighting it up with the blue. We got a lot of blue from the coast. You can see on the label there. Beautiful. This is a very hard soap. At least that's what I found. That's the pour that you get in there. It's a hard soap, but it did lather up real nice. I'll show it to you in just a second. What else are we using today software-wise? Well, obviously, you know me. I'm a matching guy. So we got Sicilian, the aftershave splash. And you'd think that I'd be using the bergamot Italiano. Not today. Not today. Something a little different. It is still from Barrett. And we're using, well, you can't see what it is. It's on the inside. It's Dreamweaver. It's got some really nice scents. Maybe a little bit of a contrast to this, but it's going to be a nice pairing. Nice pairing. Ray Smokey, Ross, if you're watching this, let me know if I'm out of my mind. Well, you know I'm out of my mind, but that's beside the point. Anyway, sticking with the blue, it may not be Italian, or he may be, who knows, from Hendrix. The amazing, awesome brush. And look at that lather. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. It lathered up real thick. It is a thirsty soap. I probably could have put a gallon of water in there. That's just an exaggeration. But I could have put more water in there, and it still would have been a great lather. So, anyway, that's what we're using today. Remove the glasses. Taking care of 2 of the 3 S's already, and that's a good thing. Let's get to the third. Let's get to shaving. Let's get some water on the face because, as you know, hydration is important. So, nice hydration on the face. There we go. Get some of that yummy lather on here. Almost like a meringue. And this has some, I'm getting some, obviously the bergamot and citrus. There's a little bit of, I think, tobacco in this. Which almost made me change to either 50 caliber or oud and smoke, but I wanted to stay a little light. It feels really, really nice. There we go. We got a little stiff peaks in there. Good. So last night was bowling night. We didn't get skunked, but we didn't win as much as I was hoping. Two of my guys were at a Guns N' Roses concert. Go figure. And Brenda still is not able to bowl because of her knee. She's at physical therapy right now, and hopefully she'll have more momentum. She's not permitted to bowl at least until November, so we'll see what happens. Let's get a little water on the old blade. I'm using a Fatip blade in here. I think I said that. And I said I was going to do some comparisons on the slant razors. Between this, and if we go, say, compare this to the Parker, this has a lot more of a slant to it. You can definitely see that it's got a big slant, but it's still mild. It is a closed comb. I think maybe next week I'll do a side-by-side with these and we'll see how it goes. There's a nice feel to it. Doesn't feel overly aggressive, but a little bit more on the aggressive side than I would say the Parker. This is a relatively, it feels lightweight razor. Let me see. Let me see if I've got the specs on it real quick. Pop open the old box. See what it says. No. No weight. It's not as I'm gonna say it again, it's not as heavy or it's not as heavy as the Parker. I think the Parker is a heavier razor, but this is definitely more blade feel. That's for certain. Is it a bad thing? No, I don't think so. So getting back to last night, two of my guys were at Guns N' Roses. Let's do a little residual on the soap. Not bad. So it was just me and Raph. And we did okay. But last night, the highlight of last night was over on Instagram. They did the salute. Let me do a rinse. Not bad. Not bad. To Kim Gray. And the outpouring of emotion and love. There wasn't a dry eye on the Instagram feed. I was fighting it. The barbershop duet did some music, which was really very touching. I mean, I think everybody lost it on that one. They did You Got a Friend. Very nice job. Hats off to them. And to everybody that was there. Still got that mark from where that thing bit me the other day. But it was unbelievable. Close to 80 people attended online that we know of. But it was beautiful. The razor company put something together as like a party favor or a giveaway to the community. A Kim Possible soap. It was only soap. And there's nothing wrong with that. It was a beautiful gesture from the razor company and Jason, whoever was behind the soap. I didn't catch who the artisan was, but I ordered one. But it was free. All you had to do was pay for the shipping. So as soon as it gets here, I'll let you know. We'll do a shave with it. But I think that was a really nice gesture. And it was good to see everybody. I mean, everybody from all artists, different artisans, all different companies. They people from the UK, Ireland. I think there was somebody on there from Australia. It was an amazing outpouring. And I think that is one of the things that I got involved with the whole community. I mean, I could get into wet shaving by myself, not to worry, not bother, but the community is so tight and so caring and loving. It's amazing. We stick together. We have our differences. We agree to disagree, but we're there for each other if we need it, I'm sure. Pretty good. Very good. Need a little cleanup in here, but those are the usual spots. But this soap is really good. I like it. It's got a nice scent to it. And it feels good. It's a light scent, not very heavy. Nope, man overboard. That's how much leather this thing made, which was good. So, as usual, I'm going to head into the office. Take care of some stuff, as usual. See what other new changes they've made. That's my day. It's Wednesday. We made it halfway through the week. Good for us. Want something special tomorrow night. I have a date with my wife. Who did you think I had a date with? We'll go into our favorite winery after work. They're having one of their sunset dinners. And those are really very nice. So if you're in the mood to go to a sunset dinner, I think they still have some tickets. Driftwood Winery out in Driftwood here in Texas, just outside Austin. That's my Thursday. That section's always a problem. Better, much better. Right here, for some reason, I don't know why. There we go. Okay, fresh water rinse. Let's let the water out. Pardon the noise. Very nice. Very nice. Get the towel. Frankie dry. Frankie dry, Frankie dry. Little hand. Bat. Bat's so crazy. We all know that. Oh. Towel dry and put a little Thayer's on. Why not? Let that dry a minute. We're done with the towel. Luca. We're in. It's actually hanging on there. You can probably see it. There it is. There's proof. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake your aftershave. Shake your aftershave. I know. Don't quit my day job. But what if this is my day job? Who knows? Ooh. Yeah, there's some tobacco in this. Definitely. Definitely. So, feels good. It's an alcohol base. At least I think it's an alcohol base. Let me take a quick look. This one I'm going to need the glasses for. Huh. Scared myself. Yep, first out thing. Denatured alcohol. Storage citrate. ISO E super. Aloe vera, vitamin E. It's got some witch hazel in it. Polysorbate 20. Some oil, fragrance, and essential oils. Nice stuff. Sicilian. It's good soap. Nice and light. Very nice. Oh. Oh, Dreamweaver. Nice combination. Nice contrast. It's gonna be nice. I'll let it dry down. Anyway, that's our shave for today. If shaving is not one of the most exhilarating parts of your day, you might be doing something wrong. As always, be good to yourselves and to one another. We'll see you on Friday for who knows what. It's going to be a blue shave, though. It's going to be blue. Have a great day. Smooth shaves. Ciao for now.